Okay, I am going to show you how we are going to do vocabulary this year in each class. The example that I'm using today is our 7th grade math vocabulary. So if you're in 8th grade, this will not be your vocabulary, but you will have it set up the same way. So the first thing you need to do is go to the Ola Middle School homepage. And from there, if you click Faculty and Staff, go down to the M's and find my name, Miss McCoy. Click on that, and my web page comes up. And over here on the left is an icon that says Google Classroom. Pull that up, click on it, and then my Google Classroom comes up. Okay, since we're going to be working on 7th grade math vocabulary, that's what I'm going to go to, but you would pick whichever class you're in, apparently. Okay, and over here on the left, I have our topics that we're going to discover. So I am going to click on vocabulary, and then it comes up. It says Semester 1 Vocabulary. So I have already set up the Google Slides for you, and this will be done for you in every instance. You pull this up. You won't have to set any of this up. So you pull this up. It's in Google Documents. You will be in your Google account because every student will have one. And here you will insert your name. So when you save it, I'll know whose it is. Okay, and then go to the first slide. The first word is divisibility, a number that can be divided by a whole number evenly. I will always give you the word and the definition. Okay, we have approximately 5 words a week. That's 1 word a day. I give you the word and the definition. It's already set up for you. So the only thing you have to do is go into the Google Docs and set up, do a sentence and an example for each of the words. So the first one we're going to do is factors. Okay, so I'm going to start typing here. My definition tells me that factors is the numbers you are multiplying to get a product. So for a sentence, I'm going to put 2 factors of 18 are 9 and 2. Okay, so the factors in this are 9 and 2. Those are factors of 18. Then on example, you can either do an example, write a sentence out, or you can look for a picture that's going to help you know what factors are. Okay, so I'm going to go to the internet and I am going to put in factors, and I clicked on images. Okay, and so then right here, I like this one because this is a good example. It says factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Because 1 and 12 equal 12, 2 and 6 equal 12, 4 and 3 equal 12. Those are all factors. So I'm going to click on this multiple times, and I want that picture right there. So I'm going to left click on this picture, and I'm going to say copy image. Okay, I'm going to go back to my Google Docs where we were at, and underneath example, I'm going to insert this picture, paste. Okay, it's a little too big, so I got to do some resizing here. Move it over to my example spot. And we are done with that work. As you can see, that might take, once you get used to it, that's probably only going to take you 45 to 60 seconds per word. We have 5 words a week. I'll give you a study guide for our quiz. We'll probably have a quiz every 2 weeks on 10 words. I'll give you a study guide so you'll know what the test looks like. But it's going to be up to you to keep up with your vocabulary. You will have this with you. You could pull it up on your phone, anywhere you can access Google. So there won't be any excuse that you don't have the words, you don't have your study guide, you don't have your paper. You will have your Google account to log into to get that. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be glad to help you with anything that you need regarding this. It might take a little bit of getting used to, but I think this is going to be a great way to keep up with your vocabulary. It'll definitely save on paper, if nothing else, and you having to keep up with it. And you'll have one of these for each of your classes, so that'll be less you have to keep up with. All right, thank you.